Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you doing? I am fine. This is Sakib. I am a student of Dialogue ITS Coaching Center in Chunargarh. By the grace, by the grace of Almighty Allah. Now I'm gonna talking about this top today topic. Today topic is my hometown. To be honest, my hometown name is Chunargarh city. Is my native city. Is my native city. Beautiful town. Is town is very commercial, industrial, and very fashionable in town in Chunargarh. It's a very beautiful or very wonderful town. But I am not live in town. I am living in my village. Well, my town is very business area and very nicely. My town is very wonderful. Uh, my town is very workplace area, uh, like business site area, job site area, and uh, other position site area in workplace. Now, my Sonarghat is uh, very nicely tourist place area such as Shachuri, Kalengabon, and tea house. But Tea state is a very commercial and industrial area in Sonarghat city. Is a very beautiful area. Its tourist place is very amazing and so beautiful in Sonarghat town city. Uh, right, other beautiful sites like uh, Kwai River Hospital and Upazala is a very amazing and very famous and very beautiful site in Chunargarh town city. It's a very wonderful and very nicely and very amazing. Chunargarh city town people are friendly, are supported all work, and there are many type of people live in Chunargarh town. Most of people here are Muslim, and other side is people uh, other side such them like Hindu, Christian, Buddha in live in my town. Uh, all people around 5 lakh people live in my town. That's why, son. Thank you.